5 plus 1 divided by 1 over 6 times 6. Here. 6, the 6 are cancel. So 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 1. So our answer would be equal to 6. But it is not correct. So we have to solve it again. 5 plus 1 divided by 1 over 6 times 6. The fastest step we have to be taken is 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6, divided by 1 by 6 times 6. Now, division and multiplication are in the question, and we have to move from left to right. So we have to handle this portion first. We have to handle this division first because it is at left. So 6 as it is, divide is converted into multiplication. Flip it, it will become 6 over 1 times 6. Now, it is single term. 6 times 6 will be equal to 36 times 6. So 36 times 6 will be equal to 216, which will be our answer. Thank you for your support.